How to fix failed to initialize Steam. So if you want to fix failed to initialize Steam, then what you need to do is first, you just need simply check your storage. To that, you need to open up your file explorer and then go with this PC, then go with local disk C. And here, if you have any space, then it's okay. But if you don't find the space or if your storage is full, then you just need to simply go and clear some storage. After clearing some storage, your problem might be fixed. Or the second solution is you need to open up your Steam file. So right click on your Steam and then go with open file location. After that, right click on the Steam folder, then go with properties. Under properties, you need to go with the compatibility section. Check if its compatibility mode is enabled. If not, you need to go with run this program in compatibility mode and click on the Windows 8 and check this option as run this program as an administrator. Click on apply and then OK. Now close this window and go with your home button, click on the power section and restart the device. After doing this, your problem will be fixed. If you found this video helpful, hit the subscribe button and thanks for watching.